Hello everyone, welcome to Stats with Suprita. Have you ever noticed that mean, median, and mode are sometimes different but still connected? Today, we will learn about relationship between mean, median, and mode. Let us first recall what is mean, median, and mode. So, mean is the average of the data, median is the middle value of the data, and mode is the most frequent value of the data. So, why the relation between mean, median, mode is important? Because helps estimate missing values, helps identify skewness of data, saves time in numerical problems, shows whether your data is normal or distorted. Now, the empirical formula is mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. This formula simply says mode depends more on median and median depends on mean. So they are all connected like a chain. Okay. This relation is not exact. It is called empirical because it is based more on observation. Okay. It works best for moderately skewed data. Now imagine the data becomes slightly skewed. At that time, mean is most affected by the extreme value. Median is less affected and mode is least affected. So when skewness happens, mean moves far, median moves a little far, and mode moves very little. So in a moderately skewed distribution, the distance between mean and median is related to the distance between median and mode. So the empirical observation says mean minus mode equal to 3 times mean minus median. Now let us solve the problem, that is mean minus mode equal to 3 times mean minus median. That is mean minus mode equal to 3 mean minus 3 median. Bringing terms together, mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. This formula comes from how far each measure shift when the data becomes skewed. Okay. Now let's say in the case of normal distribution, if a frequency distribution graph is a symmetrical frequency curve, then mean, median and mode will be equal. See here the curve is perfect bell shape. So here median and mode are equal. Let's see in the case of positively skewed frequency distribution. Here, the mean is always greater than median and median is always greater than mode. Here, observe the graph, the bell-shaped graph. Here, the tail is moving towards the right. Here, the mean is highest. For in the case of negatively skewed distribution, the mean is always lesser than median and a median is also lesser than mode. See, observe the curve. It is moving towards the left. So here mean is lesser. So remember this trick. Okay, mean goes towards the tail. Tail goes to right means mean is highest. If the tail goes to the left means the mean is lowest. Let's solve one problem. In a moderately skewed distribution, the median is 17 and the mean is 15. Using these values, find the approximate value of the mode. So, what is given? Mean, median is given. Mode we need to find. So, apply the formula, that is mode equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So, mode equal to 3 into 17 minus 2 into 15. That is 51 minus 30. So mode is 21. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Stats with Suprita. Thank you so much.